morning, students. My name is Bharti, your maths teacher, and today we are going to do a worksheet based on subtractions and additions. Okay, are you ready, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now give answer for the
Yes,
first
ma'am.
question. Who will give the answer? First question, fill in the blanks. Okay, start Anupam. Start giving answer. The sum of two or more number is called.
Ma'am, addend.
Yes,
Ma'am, addend.
addends are the number that are to be added. addends वो नंबर होते हैं जिनको ऐड किया जाता है. जो ऐड करके जो आंसर आता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? That is called addition. Don't you know?
Yes.
Addition. And the number which are added are called.
Sum.
No, the number which are added. जिन
Ma'am,
number.
addend.
Yes, addends. Okay, read second sentence. Satyanarayan.
The numbers added in any other order gives the dash same.
क्या सेम होता है? जब भी हम नंबर्स को अब हम 5+2 करें या 2+5 करें, आंसर विल बी ऑलवेज 7. तो ये जो 7 है इसको क्या
Answer
बोलते
is same.
हैं? Yes, the sum is same. Okay, next, baby. When 0 is added to any number, the sum is the. जब भी किसी नंबर में 0 ऐड किया जाता है तो सम हमेशा क्या होता है? If 0 is added to 5, then what is the answer? What is the sum?
5.
5. That is the same as addend. Okay, next. Himanshu, read the next question. Oh, yes, read it. Speak loudly, say loudly.
We add to a number to get its successor.
Satyanarayan, you read the question.
Yes, ma'am. We add dash to a number to get its successor.
Yes. Yes, Himanshu, tell me the answer. We add dash to get the successor. जब हमें, do you know successor, predecessor?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the successor of 999? 999.
Ma'am, 1000.
Yes, good. तो हमने क्या ऐड किया इसका सक्सेसर के लिए?
1, ma'am.
Yes, the answer will be 1. Next, Anupam, your turn again.
Okay, ma'am. The sum of the place value and face value of 4 in the number 7723608 is.
Read it in arithmetic manner, in thousand, hundreds. Read it. It is 74 lakhs.
74 lakhs 23,608.
Yes, 608. Then what is the place value of 4?
Ma'am, lakh.
Yes, place value of 4 is 1, 2, 3, 2 and 3. 5 zeros after 4. Okay, it is 4 lakh. And what is the face value? Face value is always same as the number.
Yes, ma'am.
What
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
sum?
Yes.
They ask the sum of place value and face value. Place value is this and face value is this. What is the sum? 4 lakhs 4. What should be the answer? 4
4
lakhs
lakh
4. Very good. Next. Satyanarayan. Sixth question.
The sum of the largest 7-digit number and one is
Yes. What is the largest 7-digit number?
yes, ma'am.
What is the largest 7-digit number?
7 digit, ma'am.
You just tell me what is the largest 7-digit number? What is the largest 1-digit number? Anupam?
Yes, ma'am. 99 lakh 9,999.
Okay, 7, 9s, 2, 4, and 6 and 7. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, and 1 lakh. Oh, sorry, 9 lakh, 99 lakh,
99 lakh
9,900. Okay,
99.
add 1. What is the answer now? It will be 1 crore. What should be? 1
1 crore. 1 crore.
crore. It is RE. Okay. And next, baby, the number which is 600 more than 69,000, sorry, 6,95,482. जब भी हम मोर देन पढ़ेंगे हम क्या करेंगे? ऐड करेंगे. किसको ऐड करेंगे? दोनों नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे. तो ऐड करके जल्दी से आंसर बताओ बेबी.
Yes, ma'am.
Anupam, what are you doing?
Seven lakh 2,082.
6 lakhs 95,482. Add 600. Yes. 2, 8, 10, 6 and 9. It is not 7 lakhs. Maybe it is again 6 lakhs 96,000. It is only 600. 6 lakh 96,082. Okay. Whose turn? Whose turn is now?
I'm in ma'am.
Himanshu, unmute yourself and give answer for the next question. The sum of the largest and the smallest number formed by using all the digits. आपके पास यहाँ पे कुछ digits लिखी हुई है. उनसे आपको एक बार लार्जेस्ट नंबर बनाना है, एक बार स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बनाना है और फिर क्या करना है?
Add or subtract.
यस, सम बताना है. फिर try it Himanshu and give me the answer. Try all of you. Do in your notebooks.
Okay, ma'am.
Himanshu, Satyanarayan, do in your notebook. Yes. Anupam, it is clear. Yes. What is the largest digit formed by using these numbers?
8,060.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
what is the largest digit? Himanshu?
8,050.
8,000. 8,000, there are 1, 2,
ma'am,
3, 4.
8 lakh 65,000
8 lakh
and 430.
65,000 and 430. This is the right order?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. And what is the smallest?
Ma'am, the smallest is 0.
Note, you do not write 0 in the first.
And 4
4
lakh
3 is lesser than 4. It is
3 lakh
3 lakhs. Okay. 4,000. Mm-hmm. 3
and
lakh 4,000.
568.
568. Okay. Now some add them. Add them. What is the answer? आप जीरो को पहले रखोगे तो जीरो को पहले रखने के बाद आपके पास क्या आएगा? ये आएगा। जीरो की तो वैल्यू ही खत्म हो जाएगी बेटा, तो हमें जीरो की वैल्यू ओवर नहीं करनी है, जीरो को भी इंक्लूड करना है। ओके, व्हाट इज द आंसर? द आंसर इज 8,9,9,9,6 and 11. It is 11 lakhs 69,998. These are commas. Okay, these
Okay,
are
ma'am.
commas. Okay, it is done.
Okay, ma'am.
All of the 8 question. Any doubt in any of the question? Anupam, baby, Satyanarayan, Himanshu, any doubt dear?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Can I clear it?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now let's go. Yes, part B. It is also very easy, you know. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the missing number. Okay, here are 2 digits. Here it is 1 digit. What is the second digit? Equal is there. Both the sides are equal. What is the number to be here? It is very easy. This number is given right here and this will be right here, 7,389. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
these are equal. Okay, now what is the second question?
12,504.
404.
Mm-hmm.
12,504.
Yeah, what is missing? Here it is 1, 2 and 3 digit. Here it is 1, 2 and 3 digits. Here it is 4 digits. Here it is these are 4 digits. What is missing at the right hand side? 2 numbers are missing.
Ma'am, 7,400.
Which 2 numbers are missing? These are given. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
and which 2 numbers are missing? You can write.
Ma'am, first number is 7,495.
Leave
Ma'am,
that. Leave it. Okay. And what is the next? Give the sum of all 3 numbers. 9, 9, 9, 9, 5, 2, 4, 9, 8 and 1. Is it correct order? No, it is not correct order.
Yes, ma'am.
9, 9, 9, 9. You just add these numbers first. 9,999 plus 1. Add these number first. Then tell me the
Ma'am, 1 lakh.
It is 1 lakh and it is 1 lakh
Five.
52,498. Very easy. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
What should be in the next? It is
Ma'am,
because it is added one is added to here. And what is the predecessor of 5 lakhs?
yes, ma'am. 5. Ma'am, 4.
What for? It is 4 lakh
4 lakh.
99,999. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You just minus it. 5 lakh minus 1. Answer will be right here. 99,999. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Good. Next.
Ma'am,
9.
equal to.
Both are equal. Then what should be right here?
Ma'am, equal to.
Equal.
No. Equal to is given. क्या ऐड किया है कि सेम आंसर आया है? कौन बताएगा इसका आंसर? बेबी. बेबी कौन क्या ऐड?
Ma'am, 0.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Zero is
0.
added.
0.
0 is added to this number. Then answer is same. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Sixth question. Nine 53700. It is 94400. ये ज्यादा हो गया या कम हो गया? पहले वाला ज्यादा है या दूसरा वाला ज्यादा है?
Ma'am, first वाला.
फर्स्ट वाला ज्यादा है. कौन सा वाला ज्यादा है?
Ma'am, first वाला कम है और second वाला
ये
ज्यादा
five,
है.
ये भी 5 है. It is also 5 right here. It is 5. Now, which one is
Ma'am,
greater?
Ma'am, second.
Then what is to be added here? What should be there? हिमांशु, क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? क्या ऐड कर दिया इन्होंने कि 4000 हो गया?
Ma'am, 700.
700 तो ऑलरेडी गिवन है. 700 में कितने ऐड करे कि 1000 हो जाए? काउंट ऑन योर फिंगर. 700 में कितने ऐड करे? 800, 900 and 1000. कितने हंड्रेड्स हो?
Ma'am, 300.
300. यस, ऐसे पता करना है आपको. ठीक है. आंसर विल बी 300. देन व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट? रीड इट फर्स्ट. In 1000 lakhs.
99,000.
Switch on your video, dear.
99 lakh.
Mhm.
99 lakh 99,999.
Then plus 1. What will be the answer? Anupam.
Ma'am,
Anupam. What is the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are we? Which question we are doing?
Ma'am, 7th, ma'am.
Yes. Then what is the answer for the 7th question? We have already done it. It is 99 lakh 99,999.
मैम इसका हो जाएगा 1 करोड़.
Very good. 1 करोड़ किया है ना हमने पहले भी.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what is the sum? Baby, what is the answer for the 8th question?
Let's go.
Add them. All of you add both the addends.
okay, ma'am.
Okay.
question, all of you?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, 5,48,900.
Ma'am, 5,48,900.
Yes, ma'am. मेरा भी यही है.
Ma'am,
सबका सेम है?
Yes, ma'am.
It is 10, 0, 1 is carry. 8 and 2, 10. 1 is again carry. It is 9, 8, 4, 5. Correct. 5,48,900. Very good. Very good. Okay, do the next.
Okay, ma'am.
Do correctly. Do not do any mistake. Arrange the following numbers in columns and find their sum. You know columns? Do you know? It is 3 lakhs, 10,000, okay, 1,000, and 600, sorry, 100 and tens and ones. These are called columns. आपको ऐसे लिखने हैं, उनके नीचे लिखना है आपको, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
तब आंसर देना है.
Yes, ma'am.
लास्ट वर्कशीट आपने अपनी नोटबुक में की है? हैव यू कंप्लीटेड योर
Yes.
लास्ट वर्कशीट इन योर नोटबुक्स?
Yes, ma'am.
अनुपम, आज आप नहाए हो?
Ma'am, the answer is 5,71,257.
It is 3,15,698. Again 2,52,481. It is 3,078. Add lakhs, 10,000, 10,000, 100, tens and ones. 8 and 1 9, 9 and 8 17. 1 is carry. 9 and 1 10, 10 and 8 18, 18 and 7 25. 2 is carry. 6 and 2 8, 8 and 4 12. 1 is carry. 6 and 2 8, 8 and 3 1. 1 is, sorry, 8 and 3 11. 1 is carry. 2 and 5 7, and it is 5. What is your answer, Satyanarayan? Is it
Yes,
say?
ma'am. 5,71,257.
Am I right?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
सही किया है ना मैंने?
Yes.
Yes.
हाँ, क्योंकि आप लोग तो इंटेलिजेंट हो, मैं तो कर देती हूँ ऐसे ही गड़बड़।
नो मैम सही है।
सही है
नहीं
मैम।
नहीं, ठीक है ठीक है, ओके ओके। हिमांशु, गिव आंसर फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, योर टर्न नाउ। And after your turn, you just mute yourself. Give answer for the next question. Satyanarayan, you also do in your notebook. आंसर देने के लिए हिमांशु को बोला है, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप लोगों को नहीं करना है, सबको करना है। Anupam's video is stuck. Yes, what is the answer, Himanshu?
30 lakh 40,089.
Where is 3 lakh? What are the digits? What are the addends? Satyanarayan. Anupam is gone. What are the addends?
Yes, ma'am.
Anupam, your video is paused, dear.
Yes ma'am, add-ins is
Is 38,567.
38,567,
And next,
1,85,679,
okay.
and 79,843.
Okay, what is the sum? 9 and 7, 16 and 3, 19. 1 is carry. 7 and 8, 8 and 6, 14, 14 and 4, 18. 1 is carry. 7 and 5, 12, 12 and 8, 20. 2 is carry. 7 and 8, 15, 15 and 9, 24. 2 is carry. 8 and 2, 10, 10 and 3, 13, 13 and 7. It is 20. 2 is again carry. 2 and 1, 3. It is 3,04,089. Is it correct, Himanshu? Is your answer same? Himanshu, where are you? I am not able to see you. You just sit properly in front of the camera.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Is your answer same?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure? Sure? Okay, I will check your notebook after the class. Okay, after finishing the class, you just take a click of your notebook and send it on the group. Okay, I will check your classwork also. Okay, now let's go to the next page. Yes, here it is. Which number is 89 more than 3,45,611? You know more than is here. Baby, क्या करना है? More than आया है तो I'm not getting your voice. Say loudly.
Ma'am, add करना है.
Add करना है. Very good. Then add them. 3,45,611 and 89. Add them. 9 and 1, 10. 1 will
10.
carry. 1 and 2, 8. 2 and 8 again 10. 1 is again
10.
carry. 7 and 5 and 4 and 3.
3.
Okay, do the next.
Okay.
All of you do the next in your notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Anupam, what is going to happen with you? सत्यनारायण, अनुपम का पीसी काम नहीं कर रहा है बेटा, शेयर कर लो.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Anupam, are you there?
Six.
Ma'am, the answer is 2,66,890.
90.
Yes.
Ma'am, the answer is 2,66,890.
90.
Yes, it is 10. 5, 1 is carry. 5 and 3, 8. 8 and 1, 9. 4 and 4, 8. 6, 6, 2. Yes, it is 2,66,890. Very good, Satyanarayan. Okay. And in tomorrow, in the class of tomorrow, I will ask tables first. Okay. Learn your tables up to 15. Practice them. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Otherwise, I'll punish you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, these are some stories. These are some story sums. Solve in your notebook. Okay, your class time is over now, and after finishing the class, you just take a click of your notebook that we done in our class, and then send it on the group. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ये वाला solve करेंगे,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Today's class work. जितने भी
Solve
क्वेश्चन आप लोगों ने अभी नोटबुक में किए हैं, सबको सबको अपने उसकी फ़ोटो लेनी है पेजेस की और मुझे सेंड कर देनी है ग्रुप पे. ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके, नाउ आई एम एंडिंग टू आई विल सेंड दिस PDF to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now bye bye. Bye students.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.